Hi, welcome, and let us learn on how you can solve this nice exponential question without using tables or calculator. So, we are going to make use of this identity which tells us that if you have a power n over m, the meaning of this is that first of all, you get the, the, the m root of a, then you move n. So first of all, this part, we are going to get the cube root of this number. How do we get the cube root? The first thing which we are going to do, we are going to express 729 into its prime factors. So because we want to get the cube root, we express 729 in terms of prime factors, then we get the cube root. So 729 is not divisible by 2, but it is divisible by 3. So by 3, 729 divided by 3, you are going to get 243. 243 and 243 divided by 3, it will give you 81. 81 divided by 3 will give you 27. And 27 divided by 3 will give you 9. 9 divided by 3 will give you 3. Then finally, 3 divided by 3 will give you 1. So the prime factors of 729 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So instead of 729, you can write it as 3 power 6. 3 power 6. It is the same as 729. So once you have this, you also come here and express this other number, 125. First of all, this number is not divisible by 2, and it is by 3. So we start dividing it by 5. So 1225 and divided by 5 will give you 245. Then 245 is also divisible by 5. 245 divided by 5 will give you 49. 49. 49 is divisible by 7. 49 by 7 is 7, and 7 by 7 is 1. So meaning that 1225, you can write it as 5 squared times 7 squared. So 5 squared multiplied by 7 squared will give you 1225. From here now, we are going to make use of this identity which tells us that if you have a power n, this can be equal to 1 over a power negative n. So I'm going to employ the identity here. So now we substitute these values which we have obtained. You have instead of 729, I will write 3 power 6, then into bracket 2 power 3, then plus, then I'm going to make use of this identity, the identity we have here. So you have you have 1 over, instead of 1225, I will write 5 squared times 7 squared, everything, power negative 3 over 2. Also, we can make use of this other identity here. If you have a over b power n over m, this is the same as writing a power n over m divided by b power n over m. So that is what you are going to do here. So in this part here, you have 3 power 6 multiplied by 2 over 3. By using this identity, this is the power of index I'm applying here, this one. If you have a power n into bracket m, this is the same as having a power n m. So that is the identity we are employing here. Plus, so we are going to make use of the identity I have given you here, this one. This is the identity we will employ down there to remove the bracket. So 1 power any number will be 1. So you will have 1 divided by 5 squared times 7 squared power negative 3 over 2. Power negative 3 over 2. Now we can make use of this identity here, so that we take this up. So this one will have we are going to have here 6 divided by 3 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. So you have 3 power 4 plus this, you have 5 squared times 7 squared, everything power 3 over 2 over 1. This is the same as when you have 3 power 4, 3 power 4 it will give you 81 plus when you multiply here, you will have 5 power 3, 5 squared power 3 over 2 times 7 squared times 3 over 2 times 3 over 2. This is 81. 81 plus, so this 2 and this 2 will cancel. Then you will have 5 power 3 times 7 power 3. 7 power 3. So 5 power 3 will give you 125. So here you are going to have 81 plus 125 multiplied by 7 power 3 will give you 343. So 343 times 1. Yeah, 42,875 plus 81, it will give you 42,956. So that is how you can simplify the given equation, which is 729 power 2 over 3 plus 1 over 1 power negative 3 over 2. So thanks so much for learning with me this nice exponential question. For more questions of the same nature, whereby we are making use of the laws of indices to simplify, kindly check in my YouTube channel so that we may continue learning, and so that also you may find other areas of the same nature. Also remember to subscribe to this channel so that you get other learning which is related to this one. Bye bye, see you in the next video.